Hi all, this is Bronson, and today I'll be conducting two types of technical analyses on two stocks in my investment portfolio. These analyses will be used along with other factors to help determine if I should sell, buy more, or continue to hold the stock as is. The two stocks I'll be analyzing today are PepsiCo and Apple, and I'll be using the following methods: the MA or moving average and the MACD or moving average convergence slash divergence. Setup and analysis is fairly simple for both methods, but I'll go ahead and start with the moving average. First, let's go to charts at the top of the page, which we're already there, and let's go ahead and go to studies then. Now let's select add study and moving averages and simple moving average. All right. The simple moving average line will now appear on the chart along with the price line. So this is the price line, and this is the moving average line. So looks like we're currently showing 9 days. So in this case, we want to analyze the stocks using a 50-day and a 200-day moving average. But of course, it's at 9, so we'll need to change that. So let's go ahead and change that. So let's go ahead and select, right-click, edit study, change that to 50. Okay, and it's now changed. All right, and let's see. Let's go ahead and add another line for the 200-day. So again, studies, add study, moving averages, simple moving average, and let's go ahead and repeat the same process. So we want to go ahead and change that as well. So edit study. Change this instead to 200. I want to go ahead and change that color to yellow, and the width of that line, let's go ahead and thicken up a bit, change to 3. Now, okay, let's see. All right. Let's see. All right. So now that we have both lines, let's go ahead and take a look at the PepsiCo stock. Let's enter PEP at the top. And let's select PepsiCo. All right. All right, so here we can see that the price line has recently crossed over both the 50-day and the 200-day lines from below. All right, this is, in this case, it's considered a buy signal. So there appears to be no indication that I should sell any of my PepsiCo stock at this time. On the contrary, it actually appears to indicate that I should buy more, of course, after first checking for further corroborating details. All right, so for my Apple stock, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and use the MACD method. All right, so first let's go ahead and pull up Apple. AAPL, select Apple. All right. Now let's go to charts at the top of the screen, which we're already on actually, and then over to studies, add study, momentum studies, A through M, and MACD. All right, the MACD line in blue now appears at the bottom of the screen along with the signal line in yellow. All right. Now that we have this, we can analyze our Apple stock using the MACD. Here we can see that the MACD line has recently crossed the signal line from above. All right. This generally indicates a sell signal. So in this case, I'd be inclined to look at further sources to corroborate whether I should actually sell my Apple stock. All right. So that concludes my analysis of the PepsiCo and Apple stocks using moving averages and MACD. Thanks for watching.